There is a truth: you don't need to spend $100 to get a good tool. Right now, there are at least 15 Ryobi items under $40 that are selling out continuously. And if you haven't heard of them, you're missing out on quite a few useful things. From a tiny clip-on fan, a tire pump for emergencies on the road, to an electric screwdriver you'll use every week. These are not just fun purchases, but things you actually use. Ryobi excels in the 1+ 18-volt system, one battery for the entire ecosystem. That turns these affordable tools into an extremely smart investment. I have filtered out the 15 most worthwhile items based on real reviews and sales volume. If you like buying things that are just right enough and not wasting money, this video is for you. Let's get started. With many years of experience in the profession, I want to say never underestimate items under $40. Sometimes the difference between a relaxing DIY afternoon and a nightmare lies in whether you own these small but mighty items. Let's raid the Home Depot shelves this April with the must-have items. High-pressure inflator, $35, the national savior. The first item, I call this cheap insurance. For about $35, you get a handheld high-pressure pump. This thing can literally save you on the road. I once had a flat tire at 10 p.m., and if it weren't for this inflator, it would have been over. This Ryobi 18-volt is compact, fits in the trunk without taking up much space, but when needed, it's extremely powerful. It has an LCD screen displaying pressure and, notably, an auto shutoff feature. You set the pressure, press start, and it stops automatically. It sounds simple, but that means you don't have to monitor it and you don't have to worry about overinflating and bursting the tire. Compared to the cheap mini pumps on Shopee or Amazon, Ryobi excels in stability and speed. It's not as fast as a professional garage pump, but it's enough to get you out of trouble in 3 to 5 minutes. This is the kind of tool you hope you won't have to use, but once you do, you'll find it worth every penny. Secondly, a classic mistake of DIY enthusiasts is spending thousands of dollars on drills and saws, but then using a phone flashlight to inspect the underside of a car. Trust me, you need this LED work light. This one gives 280 lumens, which doesn't sound too impressive, but in reality, it's bright enough for you to check under the car, the corner of the cupboard, or any dark spot. More importantly, the head of the flashlight rotates 130 degrees, meaning you don't have to hold it continuously. Just place it down, and it will shine exactly where you need it. The design is similar to a drill with the battery mounted underneath, so it stands very firmly. I often use it when fixing electrical issues at home. Just place it down, and with both hands free, I can work without needing someone to hold the light for me. Anyone who has done DIY will understand this feeling. Compared to cheap LED lights, the difference is the long runtime plus stable light, which doesn't dim after a few minutes. If you are building a basic toolkit, this is almost a must-have. Next is the item that I bet you will see flying off the shelves first when summer arrives: the 4-inch clip fan. You wouldn't think you need it until you have to work in a stuffy warehouse or sit fishing under the scorching sun. The best feature is the extremely sturdy clamp. Clamp it onto a ladder, clamp it onto the edge of a table, or even clamp it onto a child's stroller. It's small, but the wind it blows is really strong, and it also saves battery incredibly well. A 2.0 ampere-hour battery can run all afternoon. Compared to buying some random Chinese rechargeable fans floating around online, sharing a battery with a Ryobi drill is clearly the move of a savvy consumer. Among these 3 items, which one has saved you from a clear defeat? Comment below to share your hard-earned experiences. If you like this kind of realistic review, remember to like and subscribe, because the next ones will be even more interesting. The 4th item, we have USB lithium screwdriver. Many of you ask me, if I already have an 18-volt drill, why would I buy this tiny screwdriver? Let me tell you, this thing is extremely addictive. If you've ever had to screw in a tight corner, like behind a cabinet, inside a PC case, or while fixing electrical appliances, you'll understand the value of the pivoting head design. It helps you switch from a straight to an angled position, meaning you can work in places where a regular screwdriver would usually be helpless. This one runs on a USB lithium battery, charging like a phone. Sounds simple, but it means you don't have to carry around a bulky 18-volt battery. With just enough torque for electronics and light DIY, it's not as powerful as the Bosch Go or Milwaukee M4, but it's much more affordable. I use this one to disassemble laptops, assemble IKEA shelves, and repair electrical outlets. It feels very smooth, light-handed, and doesn't jerk. And importantly, it doesn't strip the screw heads like when using your hands. This is the kind of tool you buy and then use continuously without paying attention. Next to its USB lithium sibling, we have the 4-volt cordless screwdriver version priced at just around $5. A bit cheaper, but the power is no joke. Where does the difference lie? If the lithium USB is for sophistication and professionalism, then this 4 volts is a practical warrior. It has a simple design with an integrated battery. I always advise my brothers, one to keep in the toolbox, main toolbox, one to always carry in the car or keep in the kitchen drawer. This one is the perfect choice to take around the world. You don't need to worry about loss or rough handling because the price of $25 is a steal for a brand like Ryobi. With $25, you usually can only buy a few high-quality hand screwdrivers from Wera, but here we have a machine. If you find this video helps you save quite a bit of money on tools, why not hit subscribe and turn on the notification bell? Before moving on to the next group, let me quickly wrap up the top 3 must-buy items from the beginning of the video to make it easier for you to choose one. High-pressure inflator, a must-have because safety comes first. 2 is the USB lithium screwdriver, the most enjoyable tool for delicate work. And we can't forget the clamp fan, because summer is coming and no one wants to DIY while sweating profusely. What about you? If you could only choose one dish from the 5 mentioned, which one would you pay for? Please leave your comments and I will check the pass with the guys. Now get ready, because we are about to step into a whole new level of convenience. The next items are not only cheap, but they are also so small that you'll wonder, why did I only discover their existence in 2026? Let's keep going. We just went through the heavy-duty items for tire rescue or repair. Now let's move on to a group that I call small but mighty. These items are often overlooked on the shelves because they don't look much like tools. But trust me, they are the reason professional shoppers' carts are always full at Home Depot this April. The 6th item on this list is a mini Bluetooth speaker. It may seem out of place, but a true craftsman knows working without music makes the job twice as hard. It's not a tool, but it goes with tools all the time. This Ryobi uses an 18-volt battery, providing 20 hours of continuous runtime. This means you can work all day on the construction site or go on a weekend picnic without needing to recharge. I'll be straightforward about the sound quality. You can't compare it to JBL or Sony at a higher level, but it's loud enough, clear enough, and most importantly, extremely durable. Drops, dust, light, impacts, it's not as fragile as lifestyle speakers. Bluetooth range 20 meters, you can leave your phone in one place and move around freely. For me, this is a kind of experience upgrade working with music productivity definitely increases. The 7th item is a USB lithium battery glue gun. If you are still using the type of glue gun that requires a tangled cord and takes 5 minutes to heat up, you can throw it away. This one heats up extremely quickly. It only takes about 30 seconds for you to start gluing. Its before/after visuals are astonishing. From a wobbly chair leg to a broken toy, just a decisive line of glue and it's done. The best part is that it doesn't use wires. You can climb a ladder to stick the ceiling trim or take it outside to fix things without needing to pull electrical wires. The glue comes out evenly without the dirty leaks like those cheap guns from the market. This is an incredibly worthwhile investment to keep everything in the house perfect. Okay, item number 8 is a detail scrubber. I call this the enemy of stains. It works like a giant electric toothbrush with a high rotation speed. Just imagine using your hands to scrub the grout lines in the bathroom or clean the rims of a motorcycle. It's exhausting. This one solves everything. Insert the battery, turn on the machine, and just move it gently. The results are immediately visible. The dull gray tiles turn pristine white in just a few notes. Compared to the specialized cleaning machines from the red or yellow brands that are sky-high in price, Ryobi's $30 is an unbelievable bargain to free up labor. There you see, sometimes power doesn't lie in the size or torque of the motor, but in the convenience at the right time and place. If you like this kind of review that reveals the truth, don't forget to hit like to support me. It helps the algorithm show this video to more fellow workers. Let's continue the Home Depot shelf clearing segment this April, folks. After some entertainment and cleaning items, I will bring you back to the essentials that truly form the backbone of a garage. If you are new to the DIY path and are confused among a forest of brands, then stop here. Usually a drill set with a battery and charger will cost you hundreds of dollars, but why is this Ryobi kit flying off the shelves at just around $40? This is the best entry-level choice. With $40, you have an 18-volt drill body strong enough to penetrate wood-thin metal or assemble all the furniture in the house. Compared to spending 3 times the money on a Milwaukee Fuel or DeWalt XR set, when the need is just for home repairs, this is an unnecessary waste. Ryobi is very clever. They sell this set cheaply to lure you into the 18-volt battery ecosystem. But this trap is sweet because its build quality far surpasses those nameless machines on the market. If you are building a tool set from scratch, this is the first brick you must have. Dish number 10, a 4-in-1 stapler gun. Sounds a bit manual, doesn't it? But those who often reupholster sofas, frame paintings, or build enclosures for pets will understand its value. What's interesting here, it doesn't just shoot regular staples, it can handle U-shaped staples, cable staples, and even small nails. The trigger feels extremely solid without any jams or loss of power like those cheap plastic guns. Especially Ryobi goes big by applying a lifetime warranty policy for this item. A 5-item with a lifetime warranty. You use it until it breaks, then exchange it for a new one. What else is there to lose? Compared to the Arrow or Stanley staplers, this Ryobi is more versatile and much more comfortable to hold thanks to its distinctive rubber grip. We have gone through 10 items already, a significant number. Before moving on to the final group, I have a fair question for you all. Are you on the team that prefers to invest in electric tools, drill driver for power, or the team that prefers handy accessories, speaker-like glue gun to optimize the work experience? Please leave a comment below. I'm very curious to see if you all here belong to the practical team or the indulgent team. If you haven't seen anything that makes you go wow yet, then get ready. The last group coming up is all about the unexpected. Those items that seem unnecessary before you buy them, but once you have them, you wonder how you ever lived without them for so long. So you guys have reached the final stage of the Home Depot raid. If the first 10 items are heavy-duty weapons, then these last 5 names are the trump cards. I call this group unexpected but smart buys. Items that are not too flashy, but prove that he is a craftsman with taste and knows how to calculate. The 11th item, I bet many of you will skip the link storage system. It may sound boring because it's just hooks and hanging bars, but trust a guy with 10 years of experience. A good tool set without a proper storage place will turn your garage into a battlefield in just a month. Instead of leaving drills and saws scattered on the shelves, the link system allows you to hang everything on the wall in an organized manner. With $30, you can start owning the first rails. The great thing about it is its modularity. You can expand it infinitely later on. Compared to Milwaukee's pack-out system, which is sky-high in price, Ryobi's Link system is the most economical and aesthetically pleasing solution to transform a messy garage into a professional DIY studio. Item number 12 is a bag for leaves and garden waste. You might think a $1 plastic bag can hold trash too, right? But try using this Ryobi bag once, and you'll see the difference of wisdom. It has a pop-up design that stands upright when opened, unlike cheap bags that topple over. The fabric quality is extremely durable, resistant to sharp branches or rocks without tearing. When not in use, it folds down to just a few centimeters thick. For $30, you buy tranquility for every afternoon spent gardening. If you also hate it when the trash bag spills while you're working, then hit like to let me know I'm not alone. And the last item in this section is the step drill bit. This is a clear distinction between a novice and a pro. Instead of having to change 10 different drill bits to get the desired diameter hole, you only need this one bit. It helps you drill into metal, plastic, or wood with extremely high precision, creating very clean and beautiful holes without burrs. Normally, a high-quality step drill bit from brands like Irwin or Bosch can cost you $40 to $50, but the Ryobi version is only around $20 and performs just as well. This is a must-have if you want to elevate the quality of your DIY projects to a new level. What do you think, guys? All unexpected items, but they solve problems extremely well, right? Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you want to get more great, useful, and affordable deals like this at Home Depot every month. Now we have two final items to complete this list of April 15th super products. One is a treasure for power outages, and the other is an extremely cheap backup set that every handyman needs to keep in their pocket. This 20-piece screwdriver set is a testament to the saying better to have too much than too little. With a price of only about $12, which is just the cost of a few cups of coffee, this is something I always recommend my friends buy whenever they stop by the Ryobi counter. Have you ever been engrossed in assembling a cabinet only to accidentally drop the only bake screw head or over-tighten and strip the bit head? At that moment, you realize how time-consuming and frustrating it is to run to the store just to buy a single bit head. This kit, though small, is extremely comprehensive from Phillips heads, PH flat heads to Torx heads. The steel quality of Ryobi in this set is quite good, not as soft as some unbranded bit sets. Compared to spending $25 to $30 on a Milwaukee Shockwave set, which is meant for professional workers who continuously drive screws, for DIY needs this $12 set is more than enough for you to have as a backup in your toolbox. Don't let a small piece of steel disrupt your big project. And finally, item number 15, the handheld LED flashlight. It may sound classic compared to the drills or glue guns above, but trust me, simplicity is its strength. Why is it selling out? The most attractive feature of this light is its runtime because it uses the 18-volt 1+ battery system. You can run it continuously for dozens of hours without worrying about the battery dying. In situations of sudden power outages or when needing to inspect water pipes under a dark floor, its durability is worth 1,000 times more than those quickly failing backup rechargeable flashlights. Its light is a clear white LED with moderate intensity that doesn't cause glare but is sufficient to cover a wide area. The ergonomic handle design feels very firm and substantial in hand. If you already have a Ryobi battery, then this is a must-have item for self-defense. A real flashlight doesn't need too many flashy features, it just needs to light up when you press the button and last a long time. That's why I trust Ryobi more than those super bright flashlights from China advertised online. So we have gone through the 15 best faces of Ryobi under $40 this April. Each item has its own charm, but they all share practicality and an unbeatable price for the performance they deliver. How many items have you guys already picked out for your shopping cart? Or is there something I missed that you all think is extremely worth the money? Please leave a comment below. I will read and discuss it with everyone right away. After going through 15 items, you'll see a very clear point. Ryobi doesn't try to make everything the highest quality, but they do very well in being good enough plus extremely practical. If you're just starting out, just get the drill kit. Plus, one electric screwdriver leads to enough to handle 80% of household tasks. If you prioritize practicality, inflator plus clamp fan leads to 2 items you'll use more than you think. If you prefer convenience, a lamp plus a few small accessories leads to inexpensive but significantly enhance your experience. And here's what I want you to remember. Under $40 doesn't mean it's temporary. If chosen correctly, these will be the items you use the most in your entire tool set. Now I ask you honestly, among these 15 items, which one do you think is the most worth the money? Or is there any dish you've used that I haven't mentioned? Comment below, I'll read all of them. If this video helps you save money and choose the right items, remember to like it. And subscribe if you like realistic reviews, no exaggerations, no over-the-top promotions. If this video reaches enough engagement, I will continue top Ryobi tools worth buying over $40. Is it worth upgrading? Prices may vary over time, especially for deals at Home Depot. Some products are tool only, not including batteries and chargers, so remember to check carefully before buying. And as always, choosing a tool is not about picking the most expensive one, but about selecting the one that best fits your needs. Thank you for watching until the end. See you in the next videos.